Hello guys, welcome to Concept DFT channel. In this channel, we will learn concept regarding DFT and VLSI. So our today's topic is memory testing algorithm. Memory testing algorithm, which we will going to discuss are MATS, MATS 2, MATS plus, MATS plus plus, then March X, Mark C, and Mark C minus. So we will see all these algorithms one by one. First algorithm is MATS algorithm. MATS stands for Modified Algorithm Test Sequence. MATS algorithm is discovered in 1979. This is the shortest mark test for circuit fault. MATS algorithm has a three mark element. First one is in which we will write all cells to 0 in ascending or descending address order. Second one is read 0 and then write 1 in ascending order. And last one is read 1 in ascending address order. So MATS algorithm will detect all circuit faults. Complexity here we can see for n. N is the number of cells. MATS 2 algorithm. This algorithm will detect OR type address decoder fault as well as AND type address decoder fault. To detect OR type address decoder fault, the sequence is like we have to write 0 in ascending or descending direction. Then we have to read 0 and write 1 in ascending or descending direction. And then we have to write 1 in any direction. To detect AND type array decoder fault, the sequence is like we have to write 1 in ascending or descending direction. Then read 1, write 0 in any direction. And then read 1 in any direction. The complexity of MATS 2 is 4n. This algorithm will detect circuit fault and half address decoder fault and half transition fault. MATS plus algorithm. This algorithm is made by combining AND type and OR type. The sequence of this algorithm is like we have to write 0 in any direction, then we have to read 0 and write 1 in ascending direction, then read 1 and write 0 in descending direction. This detects OR type array decoder fault and AND type array decoder fault as well as all circuit faults. It detects half transition fault and complexity of MATS plus is 5n. MATS plus plus. The difference between MATS plus and MATS plus plus is we are adding one read 0 at the end of MATS plus algorithm. So the sequence of MATS plus plus is like we have to write 0 in any direction, then read 0 and write 1 in ascending direction, then write 1, read 0 and write 0 in descending order. The complexity of MATS plus plus is 6n. MATS plus detects address faults, circuit faults, and transition faults. MATS plus plus is similar to MATS plus, but it will detect all transition faults. Mark X algorithm, called as Mark X because non-publisher. Mark X algorithm is similar to MATS++, where you can see in MATS++ last stage is read 0, which is descending order. In Mark X, we are modifying this stage is like write 0 in any direction. Mark X algorithm detects address decoder fault, stacked fault, transition fault, and inversion coupling fault. The complexity of Mark X is 6n. Mark C algorithm. In Mark C algorithm, we will combine two Mark X algorithm in opposite address order. So the flow is like we have to write 0 in any direction, then read 0, write 1 in ascending, then read 1, write 0 in ascending, then read 0 in any direction. After that, read 0, write 1 in descending, read 1, write 0 in descending order, and again read 0 in any direction. So here in this flow, you can observe two read 0 are there in any direction. March X algorithm will detect address decoder fault, stacked fault, transition fault, and all coupling faults. And the complexity of March C is 11n. March C minus algorithm. March C minus algorithm removes the redundancies in March C. The flow of March C minus is like we have to write 0 in any direction, then read 0, write 1 in ascending, read 1, write 0 in ascending, again read 0, write 1 in descending, read 1, write 0 in descending, and read 0 in any direction. As we compare this March C minus with March C, so we can see that the read 0 in any direction stage is removed in March C minus. March C minus algorithm detects address decoder fault, circuit fault, transition fault, and all coupling faults. The complexity of March C minus is 10n, and it is the shortest test algorithm that detects all four faults. Summary: you can see MATS algorithm detects circuit fault and complexity is 4n. MATS plus algorithm detects circuit fault and address decoder fault. Complexity is 5n. MATS plus plus. MATS plus plus algorithm detects circuit fault, address decoder fault, and transition fault. Complexity is 6n. March X algorithm. March X algorithm detects circuit fault, address decoder fault, and transition fault. Complexity is 6n. Then March C algorithm. March C detects circuit fault, address decoder fault, transition fault, and coupling fault. Complexity is 11n. March C minus. March C minus detects address decoder fault, circuit fault, transition fault, and coupling fault. Complexity is 10n. March C and March C minus detects all faults, where March C is having complexity 11n and March C minus having complexity 10n. In industry, we will prefer March C algorithm to detect all faults instead of March C minus. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any question or any problem regarding this video, please write in comment section.